Do you want to create such structure in Sketchup using free plugin? Let's start. So first you have Draw Sphere. Here I have used Sketch Plus plugin to create a sphere. Now you have to copy the sphere and place it at desired place. Now you need Solid tool. Select All Model and click over Outer Cell option. Now your model is in single solid. Now you need to use Slicer tool. Select Model, now click over First option. Set the parameters. And click OK. This is the result. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you. See you in a next video.